Leo, can I ask you something serious?
Of course, Emma.
Do you ever feel like time was going too fast?
Yes. Every night I think, where did my day go?
Many people feel that, like they are wasting their life.
That word, wasting, it sounds heavy.
It is. To waste means to use something and get nothing back. Waste money? It's gone. Waste time? The day is gone, but you feel empty.
So, waste your life means live your days but feel empty?
Exactly. But today can be different, and you'll learn real English you can use.
Slowly and clearly?
Slowly and clearly. Welcome to the English room. Stay with us. By the end, you'll talk about your time, your feelings, and your dreams in English.
First phrase. Time flies.
Time flies? Like a bird?
Good guess. It means time passes very fast. You look up and hours are gone.
So, time flies when I'm with my friends?
Perfect. Now you repeat slowly. Time flies.
Time flies.
Use it in real life when you're surprised how fast time went. Try one about work.
Time flies when I'm busy at work.
Excellent. A native speaker says that every day.
And I can use it today.
That's real value. English you actually use. Big question. Why do people waste time?
For me, my phone. I scroll for hours.
Honest. So here's a phrase for that feeling. I feel stuck.
Stuck? Like glued?
Yes. Stuck means you cannot move forward. You want to change, but you stay in the same place.
I feel stuck. I want to learn, but I don't start.
Now you repeat. I feel stuck, but I want to change.
I feel stuck, but I want to change.
Use this when you talk about your feelings honestly, with a friend or in your own head.
Saying it out loud already helps.
That's the first small step, naming the feeling. Now, 2 little words to remember forever. Someday and day one.
They sound similar.
But they're opposite. Someday I will start. Someday has no date, so it never comes.
And day one?
Day one is today, the first real day you begin. Someday is a wish. Day one is a choice.
Same idea, very different life.
Yes, so say it. Today is day one.
Today is day one.
Remember those words for the whole video and for your life.
Let's use it. I'll be your friend.
Okay.
Leo, you always say you'll learn English. When will you start?
I always said someday, but not anymore. Today is day one.
What changed?
I don't want to waste my life waiting.
Beautiful. And you used 3 real phrases naturally.
I didn't just repeat them, I used them.
That's how English becomes yours, using it in a real sentence about your real life. Now a phrase to fight wasted time. Make the most of it.
Make the most of it.
It means use something in the best way you can. 30 free minutes? Don't waste them. Make the most of them.
I have a short break, so I'll make the most of it and practice English.
Perfect use. Now, repeat. I want to make the most of my life.
I want to make the most of my life.
Say it like a promise.
I want to make the most of my life.
Now it's not a sentence. It's a decision.
Emma, can I be honest?
Always.
2 years ago, I wanted to learn English. I bought books. I made a big plan.
Good start.
But I waited for the perfect time. Perfect app, perfect mood, perfect Monday.
And the perfect time?
Never came. I wasted a whole year scrolling on my phone.
But you're here now.
Yes. One day I stopped saying someday. I opened one video. I said one sentence out loud.
That was your day one.
That was my day one. And I stopped feeling stuck.
Your whole lesson in one story. Your story teaches a truth. Here's how to say it. It's never too late.
Even for me? Even if I'm older?
Even for you. It means you can always begin. At 20, 40, 60, or 70. The door is always open.
It's never too late to start again.
Now repeat. It's never too late to chase my dreams.
It's never too late to chase my dreams.
Chase your dreams means work hard to reach them. Use both to encourage yourself or a friend who feels late.
It's never too late to chase my dreams. I really needed that.
Keep it close. Now, 3 simple steps to stop wasting time. Notice. Choose. Start small. Notice. Choose. Start small. Notice means see how you really spend your time. Notice. I waste 2 hours a day on my phone. Choose. Pick one better thing. Choose. I'll watch one English video instead. Start small. Not everything, just a little. Start small. Just 10 minutes today. Notice, choose, start small. Simple enough to actually do. Start small is the secret. Let me say it 3 ways.
Okay.
You don't need the perfect app. You don't need a teacher. You don't need years.
I just need to start.
You just need 10 minutes. You just need one sentence. You just need today.
I will start small today.
Use it whenever a goal feels too big. Make it small and begin.
If this is helping you, like the video so you can come back and practice.
And stay with us. Soon you'll say your own promise out loud. A phrase so the past never traps you. I can't change the past, but I can start now.
That's kind. It doesn't blame me.
Right. Feeling guilty about wasted time only wastes more time. This sentence lets you forgive yourself and move.
I can't change the past, but I can start now.
Say it whenever you feel regret.
I wasted time before, but I can start now.
A strong, healthy mind and useful English.
It feels lighter to say it.
Because you put the past down and picked up today. Let's comfort a friend who feels late.
Okay.
Leo, I'm 40. It's too late for me to learn English.
I understand, but it's never too late. You can start now.
But I wasted so many years.
You can't change the past, but today can be your day one.
That actually helps.
Start small. 10 minutes a day.
Excellent! 4 phrases naturally, and you gave real hope.
This is English I can use with real people.
One phrase to protect your dreams from other people's doubt. This is my life.
Short, but strong.
Kind but firm. It means I decide my own path. When someone says, you can't, you calmly answer, "This is my life."
This is my life, and I will chase my dreams.
Now say it with quiet confidence.
This is my life, and I will chase my dreams.
I felt that. Your voice is growing.
It feels good to sound sure.
That's confidence. And it grows every time you speak. Now let's talk about a real dream. Start with, my dream is to.
My dream is to speak English with confidence.
Wonderful. Add so that to give a reason.
My dream is to speak English so that I can get a better job for my family.
Beautiful. Now your dream has a reason, and a reason is fuel.
My dream is to so that. I can build many sentences with that.
Exactly. One pattern, endless real sentences.
My dream is to travel so that I can see the world.
Now you're flying, Leo. Here's a small picture to remember it all. Your life is like a candle. It's still burning.
So there's still light, still time.
Yes. While the candle burns, you can still begin. Don't wait for it to go out.
There is still time. My candle is still burning.
So use the light now. Make the most of it. You brought back make the most of it. Because that's real learning. Using a phrase again later. Now, a full conversation with everything we learned.
Okay.
Leo, how do you feel about your English now?
Honestly, before I felt stuck. I always said someday.
And now?
Now, today is day one. It's never too late.
What's your plan?
Notice, choose, start small. 10 minutes a day.
And your dream?
My dream is to speak English with confidence. This is my life.
A full, beautiful answer, all in English.
I couldn't say that 1 year ago.
Let's lock in your 7 phrases. Time passes fast.
Time flies.
You can't move forward.
I feel stuck.
Use time well.
Make the most of it.
Always possible to begin.
It's never too late.
Begin with a little.
Start small.
Own your path.
This is my life.
7 phrases you can use for the rest of your life. Leo, think back to your wasted year.
The scrolling, the someday.
If you could talk to that Leo, what would you say?
I'd say, stop waiting. It's never too late. Today is day one.
And he would listen, because it's true.
Don't waste your life waiting for the perfect time.
Because the perfect time?
Is now.
The whole lesson in one word. Now. And to everyone listening, this is for you too.
Maybe you feel stuck. Maybe you feel late.
But you are here. You are learning right now. You have already started.
Your English is good enough to begin.
Your age is not too old. Your past is not too heavy.
And you are not alone. We are with you.
Say it with us. Today is my day one.
Today is my day one.
We're proud of you already. Now your turn. Out loud, right now, with me.
Together.
I will not waste my life.
I will not waste my life.
Today is day one.
Today is day 1.
I will start small today.
I will start small today.
Louder. Believe it.
I will start small today.
That's the voice of someone who won't wait anymore. Remember the picture. Someday or day 1?
Someday is a dream that never comes.
Day 1 is a choice you make today.
And small steps become a big life.
Notice, choose, start small.
It's never too late. This is my life.
You didn't only learn English today, Leo.
No, I learned how to start.
The best lesson of all. Now, our question of the day. Please answer. It matters.
In the comments, tell us one small thing you'll start today.
Write it in English. Begin with, today I will.
Like, today I will study English for 10 minutes.
And tell us your age and country. Let's prove together it's never too late.
We read your comments. You inspire us and each other.
If this touched you, like and subscribe to the English Room. We're building this journey together.
Don't wait for someday.
Your day 1 is today. Start small and don't waste your beautiful life.